Alright, so here we have the 371 LM compatible remote. Here in this video we're going to illustrate how to remove or change, not change, but take off the cover to be able to access your battery in case you need to replace it. You have two little slots on the garage door opener, on the garage door remote. One little slot, as you can see there, and another one on the other side here. That is designed so you can either put a flathead screwdriver, or in this case we'll use the same clip that the remote comes with, to be able to open your cover and access the battery inside. So we'll do that now so you can see it. Basically what you do is you put it in the little slot and then you turn it. Sometimes it's a little hard, but eventually it comes off. Once that happens, little cover falls apart, like so. There you go, puts back on there. And here's your electronics on the remote. Basically it uses a 2032 model battery, lithium battery. Let me see if I can take it out here. There you go. Alright, so basically it is a lithium 2032 3-volt battery. You can find this battery pretty much anywhere. CVS, Walgreens, hardware stores, Home Depot, they all have it. You can find it anywhere. You got a positive and a negative. Positive being this side, and if you notice on the remote you got a little positive sign as well there. That tells you that the battery goes in like this. If you put it in like this, it's not going to work. So yeah, so you put it in back on there, and it's kind of slides in there. Once that slides in there, it'll make contact with both the top and the bottom of the remote, and that will activate, not activate, but make your remote work. Now when you press the little button here, LED turns on. That's indicating that your remote here is working correctly. The next step obviously is to put the cover back on like so, and it kind of just clips back in place. And make sure all sides are done right, and that's it. Once you press your learn button on the remote, on the garage door opener, meaning the purple button, program button behind the garage door opener, then you press the remote here, and that will activate your garage door opener. Alright, so that's pretty much it. How to remove the cover to access your battery on the 371 LM compatible garage door opener.